Super Easy Drawings.
Hello everyone, and welcome to the Super Easy Drawings channel. Today we are going to draw sea animals, a dolphin, a turtle, and an octopus. Let's start drawing. To start, I'm going to draw a dolphin. I start with its nose and mouth, then I draw its eyes and the shape of his body with his fins. And the tail. I continue with the octopus. I start with his head, then I draw his eyes. And his smiling mouth. Now I draw his legs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Finally, I draw a turtle. I start with his head, then I draw his eye and his smiling mouth. Now I draw his body and his back like this. Finally, I draw his 4 legs and the tail. Fantastic! Now I'm going to use this black marker to make this beautiful drawing more visible. Let's start coloring. I color the dolphin's mouth with 2 different shades of red. Then I use 2 different shades of blue for its body. I color the octopus's mouth with 2 different shades of red. Then I color the body with light purple. For the turtle skin, I use this green marker. For his back, I use brown. And this marker. Finally, I add wavy lines with different shades of blue in the background, like the water. Amazing! If you like this video, please like this video and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video.